Find the limit as x approaches 0 of this rational function right here. Well, issue number 1, if I were to plug in 0, I'd get something that's undefined. But issue number 2 is I have two fractions living up here. So why don't I fix that first and then deal with the fact that I have an x on the bottom. So if I were to multiply u by 5 over 5, multiply u by 5 plus x over 5 plus x, then I can combine the two fractions upstairs. So that's going to become 5 times 1, okay, minus 1 times 5 plus x, so 1 times 5 plus x, so that's going to happen. Don't forget, we're going to distribute that negative. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 5 times 5, which is 25. I don't know why that took me so long, plus 5 times x, so 5x. Okay, this is still all over x, and I'm still going to take the limit of this, so I'll clean that up in a minute. Okay, 5 minus x over 25 plus 5x all over x has these guys cancel out. So now we have negative x over 25 plus 5x all over x. Now my issue, and let me rewrite it here, negative x, I'm just rewriting, 25 plus 5x all over x. Now I still have the x on the bottom, so if I were to go back here and do this thing, we still have an issue because if I plug in 0 on the bottom, it's undefined. So why don't I multiply the top and the bottom by 1 over x? Okay, that'll cancel u out. And when you look at that, that'll also cancel u out. So now we're left with negative 1 over 25 plus 5x. And if I'm being asked to find the limit as x approaches 0 of that, I can now plug in 0 and get negative 1 over 25 plus 5 times 0, which goes away. And that leaves me with negative 1 over 25.